Mastering niche websites, build, grow, and flip for profit. Hey everyone, it's Digital Growth Hub here. Ever wonder how people build online businesses from scratch and sell them for tens of thousands of dollars? Today, I'm diving deep into the world of niche authority websites. We'll cover everything from picking the perfect niche to driving traffic and flipping it for a massive profit. Whether you're just starting out or you've dabbled in online businesses before, this video is your step-by-step guide to building a profitable asset. So, buckle up because we're about to break down exactly how to turn your knowledge into a money-making machine. Let's go! Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a niche authority website? Imagine a website that's the ultimate resource on a very specific topic. It's not trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, it focuses on one specific area and provides tons of valuable information to a targeted audience. Think of it like a specialized boutique rather than a general store. And because it's so focused, it becomes the go-to place for people looking for information on that specific topic. These websites aren't just about sharing information, they're designed to make money through ads, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Once you build them up and they start generating consistent income, you can sell them for a significant profit, 20 to 40 times their monthly earnings. For example, a website about home fitness equipment earning $1,000 per month could sell for $20,000 to $40,000. Creating and growing these websites is easier than you might think. Stay tuned because in the next few chapters, I'm going to break down the entire process step by step. The first step, and arguably the most important one, is picking the right niche. This is where you lay the foundation for your entire website, so choose wisely. Find a niche with low competition but high demand. You don't want to be a small fish in a huge pond. Find a smaller pond where you can dominate. Tools like Google Trends and Ahrefs can help you analyze competition and demand. Ensure your chosen niche has good monetization potential, affiliate products, ads, and digital products. Choose a niche with evergreen content that remains relevant for years. Hot niche ideas, DIY home projects, pet care guides, outdoor gear reviews, and budget travel tips. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to move on to building your website. You've chosen your profitable niche. Now it's time to build the actual website. You don't need to be a tech whiz or coding genius to build a beautiful, functional website. First, get a domain name and hosting. Your domain name is your online address, and hosting is like renting space on the internet. There are great hosting providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, and Namecheap. Once you've got your domain name and hosting sorted, install WordPress. WordPress is a user-friendly platform that makes it easy to build and manage your website. Choose a theme for your website. The theme controls the overall look and feel of your site. I recommend fast SEO-friendly themes like Astra or GeneratePress. These themes help your website rank higher in search engines, crucial for getting free organic traffic. Set up essential pages, homepage, about page, contact page, and blog page. With these simple steps, you'll have a fully functional website ready to start attracting visitors. Now, let's move on to the fun part, getting traffic to your website. Your website is live and you're ready to start seeing those dollar signs, right? Not so fast. Launching your website is just the beginning of your journey. The real challenge lies in attracting visitors to your site. Before you can start monetizing your website and flipping it for a profit, you need traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Without it, even the most beautifully designed website with the best products or content will remain unnoticed. Think of your website as a storefront. Amazing products or content won't matter if nobody knows about your store. Just like a physical store needs foot traffic, your online store needs web traffic. Driving traffic to your website is essential. It's not just about getting visitors, it's about attracting the right kind of visitors who are interested in what you have to offer. Focus on 3 effective methods: SEO, social media, and email marketing. These strategies, when used together, can create a powerful traffic-generating machine. SEO, or search engine optimization, is about optimizing your website and content to rank higher in search engine results. This means more visibility and more organic traffic. Use keywords that people are actually searching for. These keywords should be relevant to your content and have a good search volume. Google's People Also Ask section is a goldmine for keyword research. It provides insights into what people are curious about, allowing you to tailor your content to meet those needs. Create high-quality, informative blog posts that are at least 1,000 words long. Longer content tends to perform better in search engines and provides more value to your readers. Boost your SEO by getting backlinks from other websites. Backlinks act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable. Guest posting is a great way to earn these valuable backlinks. By contributing to other blogs, you can reach new audiences and drive traffic back to your site. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest can be incredible sources of traffic. Each platform has its own unique audience and strengths. Pinterest in particular is a visual search engine. It's a great platform for driving traffic, especially if your content is visually appealing. Create eye-catching pins that link back to your website. Make sure your pins are visually appealing and provide value to the viewer. Engage in relevant Facebook groups and subreddits, sharing your expertise and linking back to your content. This not only drives traffic but also establishes you as an authority in your niche. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to drive traffic and build a loyal audience. It allows you to communicate directly with your audience and keep them engaged. Offer something valuable in exchange for people's email addresses like a free ebook or checklist. This incentivizes them to join your email list. Nurture that relationship by sending regular updates, promoting your latest blog posts, and offering exclusive deals. Consistency is key in email marketing. With these strategies, you'll be driving tons of traffic to your website in no time. Remember, growing traffic is a continuous process, but with persistence and the right tactics, success is within reach. You've built a fantastic website and are driving tons of traffic. This is a significant achievement, but it's just the beginning. The next step is to turn that traffic into revenue. Now it's time to monetize. There are numerous strategies to consider, each with its own set of advantages and potential earnings. There are countless ways to make money online, but a few methods reign supreme for niche authority websites. First, Google AdSense. This platform allows you to display targeted ads on your website. Display targeted ads on your website and earn a small commission for each click. It's a straightforward way to start generating income. Ezoic is a potentially more lucrative alternative, using AI to optimize your ad placements. This can significantly increase your ad revenue by ensuring the most effective ads are shown to your visitors. Affiliate marketing is another favorite. This method involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Recommend products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a great way to monetize your content while providing value to your audience. It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets valuable recommendations, the company gets a new customer, and you earn a commission. This method can be particularly effective if you have a loyal and engaged audience. Popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services to promote, making it easier to find something that resonates with your audience. Create and sell your own digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, and checklists. These products can provide significant value to your audience and generate substantial income. Digital products have virtually zero overhead costs, meaning you keep a larger percentage of the profits. This makes them an excellent option for maximizing your earnings. Once your website generates a consistent income of around $300 to $500 per month, you're in a great position to flip it for a profit. This can be a lucrative exit strategy. You can sell your website to someone else and walk away with a big chunk of change. This can be a rewarding way to capitalize on your hard work and investment. In the next chapter, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to maximize your website's potential. You've built a profitable niche authority website, and now it's time to sell it for a profit. This can be an exciting yet challenging process, but with the right approach, you can maximize your returns. Selling a website might seem daunting, but it's straightforward with online marketplaces dedicated to buying and selling websites. These platforms provide a structured environment where you can list your site, attract potential buyers, and finalize the sale. Flippa is a popular platform where you can list your site for sale and connect with potential buyers. It offers a wide range of tools to help you present your website in the best possible light. Empire Flippers is known for high-quality listings and premium service. They vet both buyers and sellers, ensuring a smooth transaction process. For larger, more established websites, check out Motion Invest. They specialize in buying and selling established websites and offer a personalized service to help you get the best deal. Determine a fair asking price by multiplying your website's monthly earnings by 20 to 40. This range can vary based on factors like niche, traffic stability, and growth potential. If your website makes $500 per month, you could sell it for $10,000 to $20,000. However, it's important to consider other factors such as the site's age, content quality, and backlink profile. Create a compelling sales pitch highlighting your website's traffic stats, revenue numbers, and growth potential. A well-crafted pitch can significantly increase buyer interest and the final sale price. Include screenshots of your earnings reports and traffic analytics. Transparency builds trust and helps potential buyers make informed decisions. Be transparent, honest, and enthusiastic in your sales pitch. Highlighting the strengths of your website while being upfront about any weaknesses can foster trust and lead to a smoother transaction. Be prepared to answer questions from potential buyers about your website's traffic sources, monetization methods, and future plans. Providing detailed and honest answers can reassure buyers and expedite the sale process. Negotiate if necessary, and once you reach an agreement, transfer the domain name, website files, and other relevant assets. Ensure all terms are clearly documented to avoid any misunderstandings. Platforms like Flippa and Empire Flippers offer escrow services for a safe and secure transaction. Using escrow can protect both parties and ensure that the funds and assets are exchanged properly. Congratulations, you've successfully sold your website for a profit. This achievement is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Now, you can use the proceeds to start a new project or invest in other opportunities. And that's how you build, grow, and flip a niche authority website for profit. It's like creating your own digital real estate empire, one website at a time. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. But with the right strategies and a little bit of hustle, you can achieve amazing things. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more online money-making strategies. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm constantly sharing new tips, tricks, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom. Now I want to hear from you. What niche are you thinking about starting? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single comment and I'm always happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.